Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java Math class number 16. In this video, I will show you how to find out maximum value, minimum value, square, absolute position, and random number. So those points in this video I will show you. Okay, so let's start. Okay, my dear friends, you can see this is my NetBeans window, and now I will show you first how to find out maximum value. Okay, so first what I will do here, okay, so print out. So the print statement shortcut SOUT, then press tab. So remove the double quotation and type here math.maximum, and then we have include a two value, number one 5 and 10. Okay, now let's see. Oh, sorry, I think there's a spelling mistake. Okay, okay, this is a maximum value of 10. Okay, that's why we are got output 10. This is the maximum value 10. Okay, if I find out here minimum value, then what I will do here, min. Okay, so this is a minimum value. Now let's check it. So minimum value is should be 5. Well, we are got a 5. Now let's check it square. I mean, here you type here SQRT, and here just on value. We haven't two value. Okay, then let's check out. Well, here you see 3 point something output. Okay, well, now let's check out absolute position. So ABS, and here I input minus, and here point and 6. Okay, now let's see that. Well, we are get a absolute position. Okay, so if I include here random, then what will happen? Random, I remove all those things. Now let's check it. Well, 0 dot something. Okay, so it was the random value. Okay, so it was the video of those matrix a little bit problem. Okay, it's not a problem, it's just a little bit thing. Okay, you have to remind on your brain. Okay, when we are going to make a big project, then this tiny thing, it's maybe work. Okay, so this video is enough for today. See you the next video. Have a good day.